2 decades of being in this, what is it today that gives you the most joy doing what you're doing?
Oh my God. What gives me the greatest joy is that I'm still here. I'm still here, and I feel that there's so much to achieve that it's just probably started out for me. 2 decades of being here, also, having a great family, being married to wonderful kids. Never pictured my life in Mumbai. Never kind of saw myself being part of this world, and I'm very grateful I'm here. And each day, every time I get bogged down by something, I just keep thinking of my life that, I'm one of those fortunate people who got to pursue my passion into work. So I can't afford to grumble even a single day, because I truly am blessed that I can do stuff that I love doing. So it gives me joy to know that people like what I do. Some people who don't, you work for them to like you with the other work that you can do or improve your work. It's great to be recognized. It's great to be told that, you make a difference. It's great, to bring happiness to people's lives. It truly is, like, I think we're really blessed as people who are on camera or in the media field, because you can do stuff that, reaches out and touches others. And I'm very happy with the fact that I'm part of this world. So, and a lot more to do, which, every day you keep feeling. It's not like, in a profession like a CEO, okay, yaar, ab CEO ban gaye, ab yahan pahunch gaye, chalo ye business pura cash ko chhod ke naya shuru karte hain. There's no sense like, you're reaching a point where it's all ended. It's just like, it feels like there's something new about to start somewhere there, which is a great joy of being here.
And my final question to you is, what is it that you would like to say today to the Sameers of 20 years ago, who are today wanting to come into Bombay or make their lives in the media space, in the showbiz space? What would you tell them?
Talking to myself 20 years back, I'd first tell myself that get to know your ass from your head first. Figure out and know what you really know in your life, and know and understand where you're about to walk into. It's going to be uncertain, it's going to be crazy, it's going to be unknown, but still prepare yourself as much as you can. Don't just walk in with your, with just like wanting things to happen. You must know what you're getting into. You must work on your craft. You must know what you want. You must know the ways of going about doing things. You must also be a dreamer and not take no for an answer. You got to be a little thick-skinned. Right. Yet you have to be emotional, because that's the only way you can connect with being any character that you want to be. And also, learn from hardships, I guess. But just focus on the goal. I think the goal is like, if you want to stay here long enough, if you want to matter, if you want to be somebody who is known, recognized, then you got to follow that path, which says that I am going to be struck by this on a daily basis. No is a word I'm going to listen to a lot. Being told I'm not good enough is a word it's a sentence you're going to get to listen to a lot. There will be lows. There will be further lows. There will be many a time you'll be told in your head by yourself that this is just not worth it. I think happiness just lies when you cross all of that. So the second you cross all that, at your lowest, if you can just convince yourself to go on that extra mile, is when I think magic will hit you. And I think Mumbai or the world of entertainment is a very accepting field. It really is, it gives you a lot of grief when you start off. And it gives you a lot that you have to try and overcome, and it beats you down, because you're also wanting something which I'd say 95% of the country is wanting. So if those are the odds against you, then you might as well, wait it out and fight it out and keep working on that craft of yours. I think it's truly, truly important, and not let things get to your head. You're as good as one good thing you do on camera, and you're as bad as that one bad thing you do on camera. So it's just, and don't take yourself that seriously. You're ultimately the guy who's doing something on camera, and a few people recognize you, maybe many do, but you come back home to yourself. Have friends around you who treat you like shit half the times, because it'll be the only way you'll be happy.